Accurate rifle shooting is all about using the scope correctly. Use your dominant eye and make sure you get some practice in before you go out hunting. Oh, and remember, always leave a small space between your eye and the scope so you don't injure yourself when you pull the trigger.
Your grip should be firm, but not too tight. Achieving stability is a must-do for rifle shooters. The prone position is the most stable option. The sitting position will also stabilize your shot. Or you could find a solid fallen tree or a rock to rest the barrel on. You could even buy a bipod or a bench rest if you want to feel really solid. It's a simple concept. The more solid your position, the more solid your chances of hitting your target. When firing the rifle, you'll want to allow some give for the force of the recoil. Don't fight it. Let your body absorb the impact of the kickback.
Rifles have spiraled grooves on the inside of the bore called rifling. Now, this is what gives the rifle such great accuracy at long range and makes it so good for hunting big game like deer and bear. Now, what the rifling actually does is it spins the bullet when you fire the rifle, just like when you throw a football.